Alright, let's do this. Unboxing. If we can do this fast. Oh, that was easy. Alright. We have the Alpha Flight Controls Yoke and Switch panel for this guy. No, actually, it's not for this guy, but if I would be friends with a famous YouTuber, maybe he can write the API for me to use this to fly this plane, but so far, no. He usually does laser pointing in the eyes type of situations. So this is in preparation for the flight simulator that's coming out from Microsoft. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, get out. Okay, that's one box. Okay, this is the other box. Wait a minute. I think this might work this way. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh sweet. 18 pounds of steering controls. And let's check this bad boy out. The manual, these connectors, and I guess latching mechanism. That's right there. This is the one right there. Okay, clamps. All right, that. Ooh. Oh yeah, and would you look at that right there. Maybe we get to 3D print the panel so I can finally take off in my Stinton. We can install this bad boy. And I don't even have a big head, or maybe I do because I bragged about it in a previous video. Alright, now I don't have the pedals. The quick slide has to be away. Okay, so these press down and they lock it in. Let's see. Well, let me tell you, these guys that made this device, they really thought of almost everything. But this moves my desk. This is, you need a better desk. Oh man, I can't wait to use this thing. Alright, let's check this out. Let's see if this takes flight. Device ready, Alpha Flight Controls. Perfect. Oh, it lights up. Huh? Pretty cool. All kinds of buttons here. Well, thanks to Trent Palmer and the Flying Cowboys and Mike Patey and all that, I got addicted into this game of flying. Anyway, got joysticks and shooters and stuff. I can't wait to see how this works. Exciting stuff. Well, besides 3D. Resume last flight. Open joystick calibration. Calibrate now. Axis pitch. Left, right, pitch, push, pull. Great. Next. Let go of your controls, allowing them to go back to the center position. Then hit the next button. Leave your control in their centered position until the timer is up. Finish. Resume last flight. You can see it. In perfect sync. I may be screaming because of my headset. And the pedals. Oh.
On this channel, I speak mostly about 3D printers and their particular specifications, features, or lack thereof. Sometimes I may throw a wrench in the system with a review about my computer setup and or car fixing video. If you think you can stomach this type of format, throw me a like or a subscribe. Thank you.